How to rank your Shopify store on Google. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can rank your Shopify store on Google. Now, ranking your Shopify store on Google requires effective search engine optimization or SEO strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can help you improve your Shopify store visibility in your Google search results. First of all, you need to start by conducting thorough keyword research to identify relevant high traffic keyword for your product. Tools like Google Keyword Planner apps can help you Google search the result. Apart from it, you can also optimize your product pages by including target keyword in the product title, product meta description, and throughout the product description. Use header tag, that is H1, H2, whatever, stuck to your content. After that, you can also create valuable, informative, and unique product description, blogs and posts, categories, pages, Google reward, quality content, etc. You can also ensure your Shopify store in mobile responsive as Google Prioritizer. Mobile-friendly website uses Google mobile-friendly test tools to check your sites. Now, improve your website loading speed. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insight to identify your fixed issue, compress image, and use a content delivery network. Now, after that, you can also secure your site. Now, Google favors secure website. Make sure your site uses HTTPS by installing an SLS certificate. Now, compress and properly name your product image. Use ATL tags with relevant key to help with the image search result. Apart from it, you can also ensure a smooth user experience. Your website should be easy to navigate and product should be well organized. After that, you can implement a sound internal linking structure to guide users and search engines through your site. Link relevant products and pages together. Now, use description and structured URL for your product and pages. Avoid generic or randomly generated URLs. Now, if you're selling internationally, optimize your stores for different language and reasons. Now, remember that SEO is an ongoing process. It may take time to see significant improvement in your ranking. Be patient and persistent and regularly update and refine your SEO strategies to stay competitive on Google. So this is how you can rank your Shopify store on Google. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.